In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on notifications for important emails only in Gmail. This quick and easy tutorial will ensure that you stay updated with only the emails that truly matter to you, helping to keep distractions at bay. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening up your Gmail account in your preferred web browser. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen, where you'll see the familiar gear icon that represents settings. Click on this icon to proceed. When you click on the gear icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll notice an option labeled See All Settings. Give that a click, and it will take you into the deeper settings area where all the customization options for your email reside. Once you're in the settings menu, you'll want to scroll down the list of sections until you find Desktop Notifications. This section is specifically designed to control the alerts and sounds associated with incoming emails on your desktop. It's a handy feature that offers you various choices to tailor your notification preferences. Here, you'll see an option called Important Mail Notifications On. This is the magic button that ensures you only get notified for emails that Gmail deems important based on your interactions and habits. Clicking this will activate these specific notifications, filtering out the noise and only drawing your attention to what matters most. After selecting Important Mail Notifications On, don't forget the crucial last step. You'll need to click Save Changes, which you'll find at the very bottom of the settings page. This step is essential because, without it, all the selections you've made won't be applied, so make sure you give that button a click to lock everything in. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've set up your Gmail to notify you only of the emails that have been marked as important. It's a simple yet effective way to manage your inbox without getting overwhelmed by constant alerts for every single message. Remember, the key here is efficiency and sanity, staying in the loop with vital emails but avoiding unnecessary interruptions throughout the day. Thank you for tuning in. And if you found this video helpful, consider sharing it with someone who could use these email management tips. Stay productive and see you in the next